In this video, we're exploring the essential survival items you'd want to have in an emergency situation. And we're going to fit them into a small Altoids type tin can or small case of similar size. While many channels have covered similar concepts before, I wanted to offer my unique approach considering that as a woman, I typically cannot carry all the EDC items we are supposed to unless it's in a purse. I also find that a lot of guys that work in situations where they can't wear cargo pants can't fit all of their EDC into their pockets either. And unless I want my purse to be larger than a suitcase, I need this EDC carry kit to be small. Plus, having all the items in one small tin or case means I don't have to hunt through my purse and waste precious time when I need something. This EDC carry kit is perfect for a small backpack or a small purse. And of course, the items I'll discuss can be adjusted to fit your specific situation and your own preferences. I'll also provide alternatives to some of the items I mentioned. The idea behind condensing critical survival items into a small, portable can is to ensure practicality and accessibility. By streamlining the essentials into something as compact as this tin can or case, we're reminded of the principle that developing skills over time reduces the dependency on material items. So let's look into the contents of this kit and how much you can truly do with the items in it. First, its weight comes in at less than 5 ounces, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around. An Altoids tin is smaller than a phone and about the same thickness as a wallet, so for guys it fits perfectly in your back pocket. Combustion, a fundamental aspect of survival, is addressed with a ferro rod and combustible material for starting fires. Ensuring the ability to start a fire even in adverse conditions is crucial for warmth, cooking, signaling, and purifying water. You can also carry a small pack of waterproof matches if that works better for you. For cutting tools, a smaller model Swiss Army knife offers versatility and a compact form. Equipped with a sharp blade, screwdriver, and scissors, it provides essential cutting capabilities for various tasks. Alternatively, you can find multi-tools that do myriad tasks. The biggest issue I have had, since I prefer multi-tools, is finding one that is small enough. Include contact information stored discreetly on a small laminate piece of paper, so this kit ensures access to vital contact details in case of emergencies. It's crucial to have a designated contact person outside your affected area to coordinate communications post-disaster. Additionally, including important contact numbers that may not be easily accessible without a functional phone can be invaluable. Hand, write, or print out on a piece of paper, in as small a size as you can, the information that is most important to you. Take this paper to any nearby UPS store and they can laminate it for you. Then you simply cut out the small piece you need and place it in the case. And you can actually make several of these and place them in each type of bag you have, as well as in a wallet, etc., and give one to each family member. This way, with one piece of laminated paper, you've supplied yourself and everyone else in your family with that same information. For medical type care, carry a couple of Band-Aids, Steri-strips, a small packet of triple antibiotic cream, a couple of pain relievers and stomachache pills, and a couple of Benadryl for any allergic issues. Be sure to keep the pills in their foil packs for safety, for identification, as well as efficacy. Light is accomplished with a very small flashlight. It uses the tiny LR44 batteries, and you will definitely have room to fit a couple extra of those batteries in this kit. When not being used, turn one of the batteries in the flashlight upside down so you don't drain any power accidentally. You can also get those keychain flashlights, but most are disposable, so keep that in mind. Place several pieces of duct tape cut into squares on the inside lid of your tin. This way, you have a quick patch for repairs and, depending on the situation, many other uses, including fire tinder. Have $5 in ones, a $10 bill, and a $20 bill as emergency money. Also carry 4 quarters in case you are actually lucky enough to find a payphone. Additionally, the cash and quarters can get you something from a vending machine. An embroidery needle and dental floss provide cordage for securing items or minor repairs. Dental floss is amazingly strong and can bind, tie, and hold things together. In dire circumstances, you can also sew up a wound with these 2 items. Water purification tablets wrapped in foil. This way, you can quickly treat most water for drinking, and the foil has many uses of its own, including as a signaling device. Wrap the tablets to differentiate them from the medicinal tablets in your tin. A small whistle. You can purchase these actually as combinations with a small compass and a tiny ferro rod included. Place 1 or 2 fishing hooks in your tin. Push these into a cotton ball to protect you from the hooks. The cotton ball can be used as tinder. And the fishing hooks, obviously, will help you catch fish. Tape 20 feet of 20-pound test fishing line to the bottom of the tin. Now you have fishing line, potential cordage, or material for suturing. Emergency blanket. You can get these for emergency use in a pack that is microns thick and fits great into an Altoids tin. And there is still room in that tin. Add a single-use container of super glue. From wound closure to fire starting and many other uses, these tubes are always great to have. Please be careful if using super glue for fire starting. The strong chemicals it gives off can be irritating to the lungs and eyes. Wrap your Altoids tin in a case or Ziploc bag. The storage bag will keep the tin or case protected from water and can serve as a water container. Flatten the bag and push out all the air before sealing it. Alternatively, you can fold up one of those snack-size Ziploc bags, very small, and wedge it into the tin using a paper clip to keep it together. This compact Altoids tin kit serves as a reminder of the importance of preparedness and adaptability in survival situations. Its contents are tailored to meet both survival and practical needs, emphasizing the value of resourcefulness and skill development. By customizing such kits to individual circumstances, we can ensure readiness for unforeseen challenges. And since these small kits are very economical, you can make one for everyone in the family and keep them in each vehicle. And they can be easily carried by those who don't have pockets to fit all of these things in. All right, as always, I want to hear from you. What would you put in your EDC tin? Let me know, and check out this video YouTube has selected for you to watch based on your own viewing history.